Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So we're out on the porch, y'all. It's 57 here in Ohio today it is. It feels okay. I can't take my sweater off, but it feels okay. Let me turn this camera around and show y'all what I'm looking at. Y'all, it's an empty deck. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Not crazy, but it's just that time of year. There's nothing left. Well, the curtain I'll take off probably later on when I get home. That there can stay because it has a light in it that comes on. And then we have our plant. Y'all can see that. She's still blooming. Look at that. And then we have our lovely, let me show y'all we did not get any tomato plants, but how come she's still growing? There's still green leaves here. Like, look at that foliage. I got green beans still growing here. Look at this. Y'all see that green bean right here? Green. It's green too. And I got, remember the onions that I put? Look at all. They're sprouting. Yeah. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the empty deck. We bring you guys over here and we're going to have some tea time. We have this one little chair left. One little chair just to sit outside. But yeah, guys. Oh, I wanted to let you know, I called the company because somebody reached out to me and said they couldn't use the code. So I called the company and I'm waiting for them. I'm waiting to hear back from them. But in the meantime, I think you can still go in there, put in your serial number, and I think you can still like get certain things from that company if you have that product and you have like the receipt and all that kind of stuff. So you could do that way. But I'm still waiting to hear from them. So guys, some stuff came across my channel from, I don't know if you guys will ever watch Kevin Samuels or whatever, but I've been listening to some of his little talks and podcasts or whatever, and some of the stuff is good, and then some of the things I don't understand because he really doesn't give you like time to really speak on some of the matters at hand, far as if people don't deserve to be submissive to them. It was just really a deep one. But then he had, I guess he was talking about women who, the topic was women that don't want to be submissive or something like that. But my thing is, this is just some tea time. Us ladies, why we can't just do what we're supposed to do and don't worry about the rest? I just feel like as long as you do what you are called to do, no matter how it ends or how things pan out, you're going to still be on top because you have chose to do what we are supposed to do, and that is be submissive, okay? Not submissive the way the world put it. That's why I don't have so many girlfriends. I have a few girlfriends that I can talk to when it comes to stuff like that, because they don't give you valuable information from a real woman standpoint. We're not talking about all that craziness, y'all, hair flying back, twitching your lips, moving your hands, and oh, this, that. We're not talking about that. We're not talking about that. And this is for I talk to my daughter about stuff like that. You're not a man. Women, we're not men. We can never be men. Just because you might have to take out the trash sometime, do something that we think a man just is only for men, doesn't make us be where we can't be submissive to a man. We got to stop all that foolishness and stop listening to women who don't act like women. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Women that don't act or carry themselves like women. I'm just being honest. That's my tea time for today. Read the 31. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I gotta go, y'all, but that's my tea time for today. I just wanted to let you guys know that somebody needs to say something sometimes. Women are really not being stand-up women. Not that I can listen to, because you're too busy trying to snap back and clap, and I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. Oh, what's the matter, buddy? You want to play? This is a Chihuahua. Oh, are you a girl or a boy? I think it's a girl. They got this one here. Hey, Shih Tzu. He's dirty. And what are you? What are you? Oh, what are you, boy? What are you? No, I'm trying, but I don't see nothing. They only have four puppies in here today. All the rest of the cages, if y'all can see behind me, are empty. They're all empty. She's trying. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Sit down. She want to get out of here so bad. Sit down. Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. You a good girl. Sit down. Sit. 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 Y'all, she is listening to me. Oh my gosh. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Say hi, y'all. Say hi. Sit, mama. Sit, mama. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit, lady. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. This is a boy Shih Tzu. He listens too. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. 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 Sit, baby. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You a good boy. Yeah. Sit down. Y'all, oh my gosh. These dogs are listening to me. I can't take you home, buddy. I'll see y'all later. I went to the thrift store looking for something. I'll show y'all when I get home. But they had music playing. I couldn't even talk to y'all. But I'm in Rose's now. I'm gonna see what kind of comforters they have. Cause I told you I was looking for comforters. So let's go look around for a second. Oh, this is pretty. We're not looking for this color. We're looking for black. Something black. Something that has black in it. Oh, this is the only one that I see. Oh, this is a queen, y'all. And I know for sure it's an 8-piece, but I know for sure it's not. I know this is not. Yeah, it's polyester. So that's a no-go. But I'll keep looking. It's kind of nice, kind of. I'll just see y'all when I get home, and I'll show y'all what I got from the thrift store. But here's outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. See y'all. This is $12.99. On my way out the door, I seen it. It's tall. I see the price. Focus camera. $12.99. It'll be 10% off. This is wood, and that's this black, light wood, like a, and then a gold right here. That's beautiful. Yeah, I might get that. Won't focus. Come on, camera. Oh, there we go. All right, you guys. So I didn't get the what was it? I didn't get the canister. It was more like it was a vase, but it was tall and it was narrow. It was really cute, y'all. The colors, it was black. Y'all seen it. But the wood part was not wood. It was actually like some type of fabric, like vinyl fabric over metal. So when I knocked on it, I thought it was wood until I seen that little rim part and I eased it back a little bit. So you already know she wasn't gonna get that. But that was really nice though. Really nice. So I didn't get that. They didn't have any I think I showed y'all they didn't have any bed comforters. I actually need like a duvet that I can put my actual this Casa Luna I can actually put the Casaluna in the duvet, and that will work too. And let me see what else. I think that's it. Oh, let me show y'all what I got from the Savor Store, this sister store. I'll show you guys real quick what I got. So hold on, let me see if I can put it on for you guys. Oh, y'all can see me real good. I didn't think you would be able to see me. So this is my, oh, wait a minute. Sorry, y'all. Let me bring y'all back some. And then we're going to end this video for today, y'all. Did y'all like the dogs? Weren't they cute? So this is, y'all know this is my cardigan I had on today. I'm going to show you the one that I found. I really don't even want to put it on because it needed to be washed. And it had like a piece of, you could tell somebody ate it or something. But it was $2, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Zoom in. I mean, not zoom in, but focus camera. That's the price that it was. So it is by, where's the name of it? This is the name of it right here. That's the name of it. And it's this color. It's like a taupe color. It's really cute, y'all. Oh, I gotta wash it. Ew, y'all. Sorry. But it goes like this, y'all. Can y'all see? And it got like the, hold on. It's got like the pockets. Let me bring y'all down some. It goes down like that, and it has the pockets. Y'all see that? It has the pockets like so. Yeah, y'all, I really, really like this. Ew. And it's the good thing is wool and rabbit. That's what I love about it, really. So, yeah. This is what it looks like. I like that. I can wear it in the house. I can wear it with my outfits. But yeah, so y'all hold on so I can show you guys the actual flower pot and the vase. So hopefully y'all can see it. It's freshly painted. You see how bright it is? How bright white it is? And then here is there is that flower pot. So yeah, guys, that is going to do it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you tomorrow with some more great stuff. I hope it will have some great stuff. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, love yourself so that you may love others, so this world will be a much better place, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. Bye, y'all.